Are these budget earbuds a hidden gem or just another cheap thrill? Let's find out. First, let's unbox these babies. Inside, you'll find the X28 earbuds themselves, a charging case, a USB-C charging cable, and a few different sizes of ear tips to help you find the perfect fit. The X28 boasts a sleek, minimalist design. The charging case is compact and pocket-friendly, while the earbuds themselves feature a glossy finish and an ergonomic shape designed for comfortable wear. Speaking of comfort, these are surprisingly lightweight and sit snugly in the ear. I've worn them for a couple of hours straight without any discomfort, which is a big plus. Now, let's talk sound. The X28 delivers a balanced audio profile. The bass is present but not overpowering, the mids are clear, and the highs are crisp. They're great for everyday listening, whether you are at the gym, during your commute, or relaxing at home. But here's the kicker: the price. These earbuds are incredibly affordable, making them a fantastic value proposition compared to other brands in the market. So, are the Miniso X28 earbuds right for you? If you're looking for a stylish, comfortable, and great-sounding pair of earbuds on a budget, these are definitely worth considering. Just keep in mind that they don't offer advanced features like active noise cancellation. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, and let me know in the comments if you've tried the X28s. Thanks for watching.